Hello, welcome to channel Digital Marketing Masters. I'm Darren Martineau, and please subscribe to the channel, like, and share with your friends. In this video, I'm going to just give you a quick tip on how to make money online really fast. There's basically two ways. You can reinvent the wheel, and you can do that. You can create your own products. I'm not saying, I create my own products and everything like that, but after many years, I realized there's an easier way. There's already people that have spent millions of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars, and even millions on creating systems. Okay, funnel systems, marketing systems, doing everything for you, testing, blah blah blah. I mean, you can go through all that. It could take you years. So if you want to save thousands of dollars and hours, and months, and years, click on the link, put in your email, and check out the system. It's a free funnel system, so you can capture your leads and do your marketing. Thank you. Have a great day.